Buddy, what's going on today? Why are you in a harness and a zoot suit there, buddy?
How to jump out a perfectly good plane.
Whoa, wait a second. What made you want to do this? Is there an occasion?
There's no occasion.
No occasion.
Every day is an occasion.
Just cause. There you go. Every day is an occasion.
Right.
Today's going to be a little different than all the rest of them.
Absolutely.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm rocking.
Okay. You nervous?
A little bit anxious.
Okay, good.
That's healthy though, right?
Yeah, that's
I'm only human.
Yeah, I'm glad you feel that way. All right, man. Got anything to tell anybody before you make the leap of faith?
Oh, yeah. Mom and Dad love you.
All right.
Everybody else knows the message.
All right. There you go. Don't worry. We'll be fine. You'll see them again. All right.
Sorry.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Paul, how was that, man?
Fantastic.
Yeah, would you do that stuff again?
Oh, absolutely. I'll just tell my friend here I'll come back next time.
All right, man.
Thank you.
I was that guy.
All right. Hey, your friend made it too? Woo!
Awesome.
All right, it's official, dude. You're crazy. Welcome to the sky. Chicagoland Skydiving Center, Rochelle, baby.
man.
All right.